Okay, so now it says, is it possible for this function to have an output of 200? So they're saying, when would 5 times 2 to the x equal 200? So we divide by 5, right? And we get 40 equals 2 to the x, right? Okay, for this problem, you need natural log, right? So we have natural log of both sides, right? So natural log 40 equals natural log of 2 to the x. Oops. So now this becomes natural log 40 equals x natural log times natural log of 2, right? So I could divide both sides by natural log 2, right? Natural log 2. So we get a natural log 2 over here, right? So that cancels. So this gives us x equals natural log 40 over natural log 2. And if I type that into my calculator, natural log 40 divided by natural log 2, I get 5.322, right? So x is approximately 5.32. So the question says, is it possible? Yes. What input gives this output? The input would be 5.32. Now, clearly, I don't expect you to know how to do this. I'm not really sure how CPM expected you to do it. Possibly, if you go to their help site, you can tell me. But the only way I know how to solve equations that have exponents as powers is using natural log. Clearly, you are not responsible to know how to do this problem, but I thought it would be interesting to see how many of you watch the videos.